Hi all, Soundarya here. I'm a CA intercosting faculty. Hope all of you are staying safe and healthy at this moment. So we decided to make a video similar to the expected questions video for the Jan 21 exams. So we're making a similar video for the May 2021 costing paper. If you notice, the format is the same. We basically laid down the trend here and the kind of questions that will come in the next tab. So the trend here basically lays down what chapters are there, what have been tested in each of the attempts from May 2018 all the way up to Jan 21, and how many marks each of these chapters have been tested for. Whilst that is laid down, you also have the average marks, which is nothing but the average marks that each of these chapters have been tested for over the last 6 attempts. The ones which are highlighted in green basically tells you which and all chapters have been tested for an average marks of more than 10 marks. So those are the ones that have been highlighted in green. And then you have columns O and P, which basically tell you which chapters are likely to be tested for May 2021 and how many marks they'll be tested for in May 2021. These two columns are based on a couple of things. One, what is the average marks that it has been tested over the last few attempts? Whether or not it has been tested over the last 1 or 2 attempts, and how many marks it has been tested on. So that basically determines the likelihood of it being tested and how many marks it can be tested for in May 2021. Now, basis this, you have your kind of questions. Kind of questions that you are expected to get will be on couple of things. Now, let us say this particular chapter has been already tested in the previous attempt, the latest attempt, Jan 2021. So you will naturally, or you can expect to not get the same question. So it would be a different question from the same chapter. That I'm quoting as an example. Another factor which can determine the kind of question you will get is your mock test papers, your RTP, etc. So it is very important that along with your syllabus, along with your study material, it is very important that you solve the RTP sums as well as the mock test papers to get a feel of what type of questions can be asked from each chapter. So this tab basically lays down the kind of questions. So this is from our previous tab. This is what is in the just previous attempt. So in Jan 21, what marks or how many marks each of these chapters have been tested on? What question they asked in Jan 2021, and what questions are likely to be asked for May 2021. So that is this column. Yeah. I hope it's clear. It goes without saying, this particular sheet can be used as a reference for you to pay special attention to these chapters, but it is of utmost importance that you cover the entire syllabus thoroughly. All the very best for your exams. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.